Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Debian 12.10 on VirtualBox. Debian 12.10 is the latest release with few bugs. Okay, so first go to Debian official website, that is debian.org, and download. Click on other downloads, then click on download and mirrors, then go up, then scroll down. See here we have the two types of downloads, CD, USB or DVD USB. So I'm going to download this DVD ISO file. So click on it, scroll down. See here we have the Debian 12.10 DVD ISO file and its size is 3.7 gigabytes. So click on it to download. See, download started, go to download. See here its size is 3.7 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded it here. See here, I have downloaded the same DVD ISO file. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open Oracle VirtualBox. Can't install Oracle VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and you can install it. Click on it. Now click on New or Machine and select New. Either is fine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Deb 12.10 VMO. Name can be anything. Then select the folders to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on drop down and this is the default location. Then select the other if you want other than this location. Then go to the path where you have the enough space. New folder. Again, then give the name for the folder. Then select the folder. See, once you selected, okay. See, type change it to Linux, subtype to Debian, and version is 64-bit. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Click on drop down and select other. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Then click on open. Then select the skip unattended installation. Then come to hardware. Here by default selected memory as 2 gigabytes. I'm going to give it to 4 gigabytes. Number of processes 2. Then hard disk. By default it is 20 gigabytes. I'm giving 100 gigabytes. These options are based on availability. Then click on finish. See, still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click on select this virtual machine, right click on it and select settings, or click on settings or machine and settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start, or right click and select start and normal start. Okay, either is fine. So click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the options like graphical install or install. Okay, select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press right control from your keyboard to release the cursor. See, select the language and click on continue and select your location from this list. Suppose if you are from India, you can select here. If from US, you can select this one. But if our country is not listed, then select other. Okay, so click on continue, then select the keyboard language and continue. Now here we have to provide host name or computer name. So I'm giving DB, that means Debian 12.1 VM. Name can be anything. Then click on, later also you can change this host name. Then click on continue. If you have a domain or if you want to configure domain name, you can click on here. I don't want anything and I don't want or I don't have anything. So keep it as blank and continue. Now set the password for the root account. Confirm the same. Then click on continue. Now we have to create a setup user. So I'm giving user full name as R2 schools. Then click on continue and this will be the username. If you want to change, remove it and you can provide new username. Then click on continue. Then set the password for this new user. Confirm the same. Then click on continue. Then select the clock, time zone. See here it is showing all in US related time zones because we have selected country as United States. That's why it is showing these time zones. Okay, select the time zone and click on continue. Partition disks, I'm going with guided and use entire disk and continue. Select the disk and continue. All partition in one disk. Yes, continue. This is just confirmation. Select finish partitioning and write changes to disk and continue. Just confirm. This is confirmation. Write changes to disk. Select yes and continue. Scanning your installation media finds the label. Okay, I don't want because you can't. So select no and click on continue. Use network mirror. No, I don't want to participate in usage survey. Select no and continue. Now here we have to select the softwares like XFCE or Genome or AD Plasma, etc. options are there. Okay, like web server, SSH server, etc. So I'm going with, it is up to you. So I'm going with Genome only. If you want like add XFCE or Genome flashback, etc., it is up to you. Okay, so click on continue. See, now install the bootloader to your primary drive. Select yes and click on continue. Then select the drive and click on continue. See, installation is complete. So it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting the installation. Okay. So go to VirtualBox Manager. See here, this optical drive must be empty. If it is not empty, you have to click on here. Then remove the disk from the virtual drive. Then come to here and click on continue to reboot. Now click on username and provide the password that we have set. Hit enter. Now click on activities, open terminal. See here we have the terminal. Let me increase the font. Select the checkbox. Increase the font. Plus button. Select it. Close it. In the background, see font is increased. Now initial setup. Click on next. Next. Local services. Next. Want to connect any one of these accounts? You have to click on and you have to connect. Skip for now. All done. Start using Debian Linux. Okay. Now first step is now verify the version that we have installed. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Debian 12. The first step after connecting to Debian 12.10 is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt upgrade. This won't work. Hit enter to provide the password of sudo user. See, there is no user even if you try to switch to root account. Then run the same command sudo. Sudo is not required. Enemy sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. See, you will receive this error. So open the default browser that comes with Debian. So to fix this issue, we have to add the repository. See, go to the file that is sudo vi/etc apt source list. Hit enter. So comment this one. Press I to insert mode. Give the hash. Shift A. Hit enter. Then copy all these. These are for 12 version. So copy all these. Copy it. Paste it. Save the file. Control A. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. See, the error gone. Now we are able to update the packages. Okay, I will keep these comments in the video description. See, we have successfully updated. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Debian 12.10 on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel.